Hello and welcome for this session of problem solving on aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction. The first example is this acid chloride treated with benzene in aluminum chloride giving this ketone. So this is your classical Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction wherein acid chloride interacts with aluminum chloride, forms acylium ion equivalent, which in turn reacts with benzene to get the arenium ion, and the deprotonation gives the required product. Second example, benzene is treated with cyclohexene in presence of H2SO4 at 0 degree Celsius. You get the incorporation of cyclohexyl group. So this is your classical Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction wherein the carbonium ion or the electrophile is generated when the alkene interacts with acid. You get this carbonium ion, and which in turn interacts with benzene. You get the arenium ion which loses proton in due course, and you get the product, that is cyclohexyl benzene. Next example is pyrrole is treated with bromine and FeBr3. You get 2-bromo. This is again electrophilic substitution reaction, and in this case the electron push should be shown like this. This lone pair then interacts with your bromine molecule, which is already bonded with Lewis acid, and later on the formation of arenium ion intermediate, or we can show the steps here, and N plus the loss of proton subsequently rectifies the charge on nitrogen. So minus H plus gives you the target molecule. Next example is the example on furan. And you get the formation of 2-acyl furan. Now this is one example wherein you can use some Lewis acid. Now this is again a Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. You have to show that the acylium ion is generated. This is your acetic anhydride. This interacts with aluminum chloride. This becomes plus, and then your oxygen lone pair participates. This interacts here. The positive charge on oxygen is neutralized, and then loss of proton can furnish you the desired product. This is the Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction using acetic anhydride and aluminum chloride. Next example is again on furan. Furan is treated with a specific reagent, that is CH3COONO2. Now this is your classical acylating agent for the substrate which are labile, and now here we can show that oxygen lone pair participates and instead of this, now it attacks on nitrogen. Again there is a electron sink, and you get the formation of transition step wherein oxygen is positive, and you get the incorporation of nitro group here. Now this proton, which is acidic, is abstracted, and you get the target molecule. The next example is based upon diazonium ion coupling, wherein NN-dimethyl-aniline is treated with a diazonium salt which is prepared from the sulfonalic acid. Now this is sulfonalic acid, the diazonium ion is prepared, and now this nitrogen lone pair can participate, and ultimately this kind of coupling takes place, and the transition state would look like this. Now this is the N double bond N, that is the driving force for the reaction, and later on this will be plus, nitrogen plus, and in the last step the positive charge on nitrogen is neutralized, and you get the product. So that is your diazonium ion coupling. Okay, now moving on to next question, that is predict the product and suggest the mechanism. So here you have to predict the product and suggest the mechanism is already there. So first example in this category is chlorination reaction, wherein we are making chlorobenzene starting with benzene, and the first step, as we have already said earlier, the interaction of FeCl3 with chlorine molecule, and then in the later stage the benzene interacts because there is a dipole, and the FeCl bond becomes normal bond. You get the rhenium ion intermediate. This is the rhenium ion, and FeCl4 then interacts, and you get the target molecule. Now this is the overall reaction mechanism. So if predict the product is asked, you have to just write the structure. If mechanism is asked, then you have to show the entire mechanism. Next example from this category is benzene is treated with a combination of HNO3 acetic anhydride, and we are expecting the formation of nitrobenzene as the product. So now this reagent combination is different. So first of all you have to show the structure of acetic anhydride, draw the structure, and then nitric acid also you have to show the correct structure. This is nitric acid. Now when the nitric acid interacts with acetic anhydride, you get the reagent. Now this is the actual reagent. In practice this is prepared by refluxing a mixture of acetic anhydride and nitric acid in a flask, and then collect the filtrate or collect the distillate in the form of acetyl nitrate. Now this is your acetyl nitrate. This is the actual reagent, and we have already drawn the mechanism for this. The next example is based upon the Merwin-Wagner rearrangement, wherein we are having benzene is reacting with this chloride and we are expecting some product. So first of all you have to show the interaction of this heterolytic cleavage of carbon chlorine bond, and you get primary carbonium ion. Methyl shift make it tertiary. So this kind of Merwin-Wagner rearrangement is well known, and when this interacts with benzene you are bound to get the rearranged product, wherein your benzene carbon will get bonded to so that is the product of rearrangement. Now some different type of questions are also there. You are supposed to arrange the compounds according to their reactivity. So arrange the following as per their reactivities. So first one is this is first, second is chlorobenzene, third one is benzene, and fourth one is anisole. So third, second. So first one is quaternary salt on benzene ring, the chlorobenzene, benzene and anisole. Now this is if you are asked to write down the order of reactivity, then this should be the first one. So anisole is highly reactive, then benzene, then chlorobenzene, and then your one. So this is the decreasing order or increasing order, whatever is asked, you have to answer like that. Now the reason for this kind of change is because those functional groups are different and they are going to have different effect on the reactivity. So electron donors will boost the reactivity, electron acceptors will retard the reactivity. So you have to remember the table wherein this these functional groups are mentioned as per their reactivity. Now this is the example wherein we are expecting the nitration because we are using conventional nitrating mixture, and this is ortho-para directing group. So we are getting ortho and para. Of course this is going to be a major compound, this is going to be a minor compound. So the reaction mechanism is same, HNO3 H2SO4. You have to write down the equation. If you show this, that is enough, plus HSO4 minus, and then in the next step you have to show that since it is ortho-para directing group, the interaction of electrophile has to be at ortho and para position only, and as a result of this kind of interaction you get the rhenium ion, and the conjugate base HSO4 minus abstract the proton and you get the target molecule.